Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today's lecture is Reason to use deep learning in a series of Explain Me AI like I'm a child. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. Imagine we have taken 4, applied some function and got 9. And then we have taken 5, applied the same function and got 11. And we asked, what will be the result if instead of 5, we take 6? In order to solve this task, we, as experienced data scientists, define our inputs and outputs and take a model like this. We feed our numbers to the model as the following. From here, we see that our task is to find W and B. For solving such type of problems, there are conventional machine learning techniques which give us exact solutions, like 13 for this task. But we also have techniques which give us results like 12.997 or 13.005, and each time its result might be different. You may ask yourself, why do I need close to exact solutions like these if I can have exact ones like this? And the answer is, conventional techniques which give exact solutions work well on tabular data, but they don't work when it comes to problems which have lots of unstructured data. And in order to make learning easy, we will start to learn deep learning on easy problems. That's all for now. See you in the next lecture.